How to make bone meal with your Cub Cadet CS 3310 chipper. Bone meal is pulverized or crushed bones used as a fertilizer or a soil amendment. I have some old chicken bones to use for today's demonstration. I will feed the bones to my chipper to grind them. This is what the finished product looks like. There you have it, bone meal. See you on the next episode.